This video shows the final wiring and assembly steps of a transhumeral prosthesis. Begin by drilling the holes for the myosmart electrodes using a 5mm drill bit. Screw the remote electrodes into place using electrode domes. Attach the protective caps to prevent signal interference. In this example, we are wiring an ErgoArm. For detailed instructions on wiring, please refer to the dedicated videos. When wiring the myosmart control unit and the EasyPlug, always apply silicone grease to each connection. Now, insert all components into the socket without creating tension in the cables. Press the EasyPlug into the lamination ring until it audibly clicks into place. Screw the socket onto the elbow joint and replace the end stop clamp. For details on shortening the prosthesis or adjusting the AFB and humeral rotation, please refer to the dedicated videos on the dynamic arm and ErgoArm.